Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy here, and if you're new here, what's up? Welcome. I hope you stick around for new videos, and in order to do so and be a part of the Nap family, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, turn it gray so that you can become a member of the Nap family, as well as hitting the bell so that you can be notified of all upcoming videos. And if you're old here, welcome back. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Yes guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm hoping that I didn't spoil it too much. Hopefully not. But this video is going to be a little bit different from what I normally do on my channel. I am going to try, I'm going to try doing a DIY wax. But I'm only going to do my armpits, and I know this is going to be really embarrassing for me. So this is me exposing me to you guys, but I just wanted to try something different. I've seen it done on YouTube a little bit thus far, so I just wanted to try it. And if I don't like it, I'm just gonna go back to my wax lady. I'm going anyway, but I just wanted to try it out at home, something maybe I can't get to her on that week, so you know, I can do it at home. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
Okay guys, we are going to start off with these minimal ingredients, which is 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then lastly we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. So next I am going to pour all of my ingredients into my saucepan. It's probably the smallest one that you would have out of a bundle that I purchased, I think, from Walmart. So then I just pour all of those content in there and I just continue to mix it. So you would like to keep your flame on medium, maybe about a 3 or 4, and that should keep the mixture from boiling too much or burning at the bottom. So I'm just continuing to mix it, and then once it begins actually boiling, you want to take it off of the eye because you don't want it to burn. So you see me mixing it here, just trying to, you know, get the bubbles to go down a little bit, but eventually I do take it off the eye and I mix it until the bubbles go down. But this is my time to mix it, get it to the perfect consistency, which I will show you eventually. It took a while to get there because I think I should have left it on the eye longer. But do you see it turn into this brownish color? So this is when it becomes thicker and more of a tackier side, and I'm almost certain that's because of the sugar. It's starting to harden, and this is the consistency, if not a little bit thicker, that you want for your wax. You don't want it to be too hard, but then you won't be able to put it on your skin, but you don't want it too loose because then it won't stick to the hairs on your underarm. So now I have my mixture at the perfect consistency that I can use to do my wax. It is very tacky. I will then transfer it into a glass bowl, and you will see in my next clip.
Alright y'all, so originally I was going to knead the wax KNEAD, which would have just been making a ball so that I can like manually put it on my skin and snatch it off myself. But 2 failed attempts, so I'm just gonna do it the regular way. And I also purchased this t-shirt, random plain t-shirt from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I want to say it was Hobby Lobby. Just to make some strips. I've seen people do that with t-shirts versus, I guess, this is considered like the cloth. And you can just wash them and reuse them. Probably won't reuse them. But yeah, for the video purpose, I'm just going to use this t-shirt and make some strips. And I'm just doing my underarm, so it won't be, you know, a lot. So I'm just gonna cut out off the bottom of the t-shirt. Don't want to show my underarms yet. So yeah, so I got the strip here. My underarms look crazy, y'all. It's been about like a month and a half, and I was holding on strong. I've been wearing t-shirts instead of tank tops. It's hot outside, but I did this for y'all, so y'all better watch this video. And yeah, I'm nervous because I'm not even good with the wax lady. Still ain't good, let alone doing this myself. So yeah, so let me cut some more, make some smaller strips because I'm just gonna apply it and try my best to snatch it. Nothing perfect, just cutting some pieces. And I'm fairly small, so I don't need them to be like wide or anything. So I have my little strips here. Okay. I have my strips here. And you also should use either baby powder or you can use cornstarch. So I have this out of my kitchen. If I lived with my mother, she would kill me. Yeah, that would have been the energy that I would have had after this video went live. But and then I have some popsicle sticks that I again purchased from Hobby Lobby. I didn't need this many, but I couldn't get a smaller pack. So it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Out 4, 7. I'm gonna say I got 8 to be even. It's weird. Got 8 pieces here. I have my wax here. I'm scared, y'all. So I watched a bunch of tutorials and they say that you should. First of all, let me show y'all my underarms. Let me go and get the embarrassing part out the way. Okay, it's embarrassing to me, but it's a lot of hair to me. First, you gotta put some powder on, right? Cornstarch, baby powder, whichever you got already. Put that on there, and that is to get any moisture that you have under your armpit. It's gonna soak it all up, right? Boom. So I got some of my stick, right? And I'm scared because I know it's hot. I know it's hot. It's hot. Blow it. Okay. I think I got it on there. Right? I got it on there. Whew. It's hot, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit for a quick second. But in the meantime, I'm trying to figure out if I should put both underarms on. This is the first look. Ooh, it's getting hard. Okay, so while this one is hardening more, I'm scared. Oh wait, I'm gonna put, I guess I'm supposed to put this on here so I have something to snatch it with. Right, that makes sense, because if not, I was gonna have to snatch it by hand. Duh. I'm scared, because I feel the pain. I ain't, why in the heck did I do this? I don't want the stuff to get too hard again. Wait, I don't want to put them on the other arm. Woo! Okay. I think I should be okay. Alright, so I think I'm ready to take it off. Let y'all get my facial reaction. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. Okay. This hurt. This hurt. I set myself up for failure. Who in the world said this was nice? This ain't nice. This hurt. Okay. I gotta get it off eventually. I have to. I ain't ready. Cause I feel it, y'all. I feel it up here. Okay. Y'all, I'm about to go hop in the shower and shave. even put, but it took off some hair. I'm scared, y'all, because it bled a little bit. This is so scary. How do people do this at home? Okay. I don't know why it won't stick. Come on, let's get this over with. I got a little bit off. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to knead it down. Okay. So far, this was majority of the hair. And then I got a little bit on here, as you can see, a teensy bit. I gotta go heat it up again. I'll be right back. Let's get this over with, cause I'm sweating. I'm stressed out. All right, y'all, so I heated it up again. I gotta put some more on because I'm so nervous. I'm sweating and I don't even sweat. Okay. Boom, got that on there, right? Had to get a new popsicle stick because the other one got hair on it. It's so sticky. Okay. Boom, I got some, right? Why is it sticking? Alright, I'm gonna need you to stick. I need all of it to get on there. Okay, boom. This should be it. Put the tissue on, put the paper on thingy. Nah, because I almost forgot to do it last time. Give it a second. I'm not doing my other underarm. I'm not doing it. I'm not. Cancel. It's canceled, y'all. Leave it to the shops. I'm not doing this to myself. I don't know why I thought I was a big bad wolf to do this by myself. I'm not doing this. I'm done, y'all. Just finishing this underarm for y'all, but I'm done. I'm done. It's canceled. Don't ask. It was fun while it lasts. All right, y'all. Dang good. Now I gotta get the balls again because I ain't got it. I'm over here shaking. My other underarm's sweating. Okay. And they say apply pressure because it do bleed. And I was bleeding the first time. I was bleeding the first time. So it said pressure so it don't bruise. But I was bleeding and sweating at the same time. This is what I got. Pretty bare. Got a couple of hairs in there. But my underarm is freaking red. It hurt. I don't like it. But it was cool. It was different. I tried it. I can say I tried it. I ain't like it. And I'm not doing it to myself no more. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. All of that hair. It's gone. This was this is bold. Alright, y'all, so y'all seen it here. I done tried it, I didn't like it, and we moving on to something else. So I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching me be brave and do something inflicting pain on myself. It was fun while it lasts. We out of here. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I hope you guys tune in for my next one. Bye.